Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is subtraction using pictures part 1. That means it's the first class on about the topic of subtraction, okay, using the pictures. The lecture number is 18. You have no homework today. Your homework number is so blank. My dear students, let's start our class. We will learn how to subtract with the help of the picture. So how to subtract, my dear students? Suppose the subtraction is 8 minus 5 is equal to how much? We need to find out. Okay, we need to find out what will be here in this box. Now my dear students, look very carefully. 8 minus 5, it's a subtraction sign and we will call it minus. 8 minus 5 equal to how much? To do that we will use the picture. Suppose these 8 things are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. From these 8 things, we need to subtract 5 things and we will get the answer. Okay. So, the students, now we need to subtract 5 things. This means that we need to omit 5 things from these 8 things. So, omit the 5 things. That means we need to reduce this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reduce these 5 things. Now, how many are remain there? The remain is 1, 2, 3 things. So there are 3 things remain when you subtract 5 from 8. Okay, when you subtract 5 things from 8 things, we will find out 3 things are remaining there. That means our answer will be in this box is 3. It will be 3 our answer. Okay, like this way we will solve all the problem of subtraction. Now look at the book, page number 71. You must open your book. It's Math Avenue Primer A. It's Maths Avenue Primer A. It's your mathematics book. Okay. And you must open the page number is 71. In 71 page, 1 is already done for you. The 1 is already done for you. What is done for you? There were 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. The students, look at the picture. There are 1, 2, 3 balloons are there. In total, there are 3 balloons. From these 3 balloons, 1 is busted. That means 1 is vanished here. 1 burst, that means 1 is destroyed it. So we can cut 1. That means in the middle, look at the figure. It's in the middle we have 1 is busted. That means this one is busted. So this one is not remaining here. So how many remaining is well balloons here? It's good balloons are 1, 2. There are 2 balloons are remaining here. Okay. So if we subtract 1 from 3, we will find out 2 balloons are remaining there. Okay. This means that if we subtract 1 from 3, we will find out how many balloons are remaining there. There's 2 balloons. So if 1 is busted away from the 3 balloons, so we remain 2 balloons are well balloons are there. Okay. And this one is already done for you. The next 3 we need to do on the board. My dear students, there are butterflies. Okay. This number is 7. We know, right? From these 7 butterflies, 3 fly away. So 3 fly away means these 3 butterflies will not remaining here. The 3 butterflies will go away. Okay. So how many remaining there in the picture? Now suppose there are 3 butterflies. These are butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 butterflies are there. And from the 7 butterflies, 3 fly away. 3 fly away means 3 has gone away. So 1, 2, 3 has gone away. So how many remaining are there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That means if we subtract 3 from 7, we'll find out 4. Because when 3 butterflies fly away from the total number of butterflies 7, then we will find out 4 butterflies remaining there. Okay. So that like the same way the figure says that from the 7 butterflies, the 3 butterflies 1, 2, 3 butterflies are flying away. This is the picture of flying. Okay, So this 3 will be omitted, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 butterflies will remaining there. Okay, dear students, that means our answer will be 4 in this box. You must write down 4, the answer in this box. Okay, the answer will be 4. The next one is, we have, this number is 8. We have 8 boats are there. From these 8 boats, 2 boats sail away. Okay, 2 boats sail away. This is the picture of sailing away. So these 2 will be omitted because these 2 boats will sail away. So how many remaining are there? Count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are remaining there. That means if we subtract 2 from 8, we'll find out 6. Our answer will be 6 here. Okay, it is 6. Now the last one, my dear students, there are 6 aeroplanes. This number is 6. That means there are 6 aeroplanes are there. From these 6 aeroplanes, 2 aeroplanes fly away. 2 fly away. So how many remaining there? Look at the picture. These 2 are flying away. So these 2 will be omitted. So how many are remaining there? It's counted. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 aeroplanes will remaining there. So how many are left? There are left is 4. We should write down 4 here. This means, my dear students, if we subtract 2 from 6, we will find out 4. And we will say that 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. I hope, my dear students, you have understood my today's lecture. You must practice at home again and again by erasing your writing and write down again by the pencil. Okay? Do yourself at home. See you again, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.